In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check message history in Discord step by step, using both the basic scroll method and the faster search method. This is super useful if you need to find an old conversation, check a link someone sent, review an important message, or just go back through your chat history without wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to the server or direct message where you want to check your messages. This is important because Discord only shows the history for the channel or DM you're currently viewing. If you're looking for a specific conversation, make sure you're in the correct place before you start searching. Now, let's talk about the basic scroll method. This is the simplest way to view older messages. At the bottom of the channel, click inside the chat box area so you know you're active in that window. Then use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or scroll bar to scroll upward through the chat. As you keep scrolling up, Discord will automatically load older messages from the history. You can continue going back as far as the channel allows, which makes this a great method if you just want to browse the conversation naturally. It may take a little time in busy channels, but it works well for reviewing a message thread from earlier in the day or week. If you need to find something much faster, use the search method. At the top right of Discord, click the search bar. In the search field, type a keyword, a username, or part of a phrase you remember from the message you're looking for. Then press enter to view the results. Discord will scan the channel or server and show messages that match your search. This is much faster than scrolling when you already know a word or person connected to the message. Once the results appear, you can click any result and Discord will jump directly to that message in the chat. That makes it easy to open the exact point in the conversation without manually hunting for it. If you want even more control, you can use filter search options. This is especially helpful in large servers or long message histories. You can narrow results by person, channel, date, or message content depending on what you're trying to find. For example, if you remember who sent the message, filter by username. If you remember the general topic, search for a phrase from the message itself. The more specific you are, the quicker Discord can find it. A good tip is to use short, unique keywords instead of very common words, because that will give you cleaner results. If the channel is very active, filtering can save you a lot of time and help you get to the exact message much faster. And that's it. Now you know how to check message history in Discord using scrolling, search, and filters. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Discord tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.